In this video, I'll be showing you how to paint the Heroquest Chaos Sorcerer, also known as the Witch Lord. I primed this miniature with Chaos Black, and I first painted all 4 wrist cuffs with Balthazar Gold. Just like with the Chaos Warriors, the horns were painted with Talarn Sand, and the ball was made shiny with this burnished copper paint. Then I painted the gloves with dried bark, and these gloves are quite long and reach to the wrist cuffs. Because he might also be undead, I painted the skin in the same way as the zombie. Castellan green base, Nurgling green layer, and a layer of Cadian flesh tone on top of that. Any area where the final layer is applied too thin simply looks like decaying flesh. To make them stand out better, I gave the gloves a dry brush of Gorthor Brown. Next, I painted the robe with Dark Reaper. This is a nice dark bluish grey color. I moved on to the boots next, which were painted in Mournfang Brown. After that, I gave the skull a coat of Ushabti bone. Is the skull his head or just part of a helmet? Then I painted the helmet with Warplock bronze. Next, I layered the Fang over the robes. I was originally going to put this on only the raised areas, but decided to put it on the entire robe. Then I decided to paint the large metal belt with Brass Scorpion, and I like how this stands out against the blue. After that, I put Lead Belcher onto the skull necklace and the string. I then moved on to the basing material, though this would have been way easier if I had done it before painting. I spread PVA glue onto the base, dunked it into some fine sand, let it dry, and painted it with Abaddon Black. I then dry brushed Gorthor Brown on the base and fixed up the clothing and boots. Now it's time for my favorite part, adding the shade. This time I chose Agrax Earthshade and spread it over the entire model in a thick coat. If you don't want the shade to run to the bottom of the model, hold it horizontally while this dries. I then wanted to give the skeleton pendant glowing eyes, so I first tried with Warpstone Glow, and afterwards put Warboss Green instead to brighten it. And here is the finished Chaos Sorcerer. I really love how this guy turned out, and he definitely looks like a menacing necromancer. He also fits in with this Chaos Altar terrain that I've been working on. Here's how the big bad looks facing off against the heroes. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please do give me a like and a sub because that really helps me out. And I will see you all in my next video. Goodbye.